guys, it's your girl Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a mom of 5 and I'm always looking for ways to get dinner on the table fast. Today I'm showing you how to make Chipotle style bowls in under 5 minutes. Yes, I said 5 minutes. If you're into quick recipes and keeping it real in the kitchen, go ahead and tap that like button and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any chaos, the laughs, and the good food. Let's get right into it. So I went ahead and cut up my chicken into smaller pieces. And yes, I did wash my chicken. If you guys want a tutorial on how I wash my chicken, let me know in the comment section. I kept the seasonings pretty simple. I used some oil, some complete seasoning, smoked paprika, and a bouillon cube. I went ahead and mixed everything up very well. When I mix my meat, I do this for about like 5 to 6 minutes. I added some thyme and I added some curry powder and a little bit onions. You guys can add whatever seasonings you like. This is just what I had at the time. I actually need to go back to the store and buy more seasonings because I feel like, I don't know, I like to have a good amount of seasonings to choose from, but this is what I use this day. After I let it marinate for a little bit, I went ahead and put it in the air fryer. Another tip you guys might want to know is preheat your air fryer so that your food cooks faster. I also went ahead and started on the guacamole while the chicken was cooking, and I told my husband to cook the onions because I didn't want to cry, and you see his face, he is so concentrated. But yeah, he cut the onions up, and then I started adding everything to the bowl. I added some guacamole, some onions, and seasoning. If you guys want a tutorial on how I did the guacamole, let me know in the comment sections as well. It tasted like Chipotle's. I'm not even capping to y'all. Like, the guac was good. My kids ate all of it. I didn't make enough, but next time I'll make more. If you guys want the most out of your limes or lemons, make sure you roll them like what you just seen me do. And I added some of that to my guacamole and some fresh cilantro, tomatoes, I think red onions, and yeah, this is how it looked and turned out. It looked as good as it tasted, y'all. I'm not lying to you. After the chicken was done cooking, I took them out and they're very much juicy, very much flavorful. I just usually cut them up into smaller pieces. You guys can, cut them up or leave them whole, however you guys like it in your Chipotle bowl. So now it's time to assemble the bowl. I used some white rice. I topped it off with some cilantro. And I used brown beans. You guys can use black if you like. Then I topped it off with some chicken and some shredded cheese. I think I used Kobe Jack. Then I added my lettuce. Added quite a bit of lettuce. This was actually my bowl, you guys. Added some red onions and I think some lime juice, some tomatoes. And like I said, you guys can use anything that you have in the kitchen laying around. This is a good meal to clean out your fridge and use whatever you have. I added some guacamole and sour cream, and yeah, that's the bowl, you guys. Very nutritious, very healthy. And then this is my kids' bowls. As you can see, they all have different things on their bowls because we have picky eaters in the house, but all in all, everybody got seconds. And you guys see how much, fresh produce is in this meal. That's why I love that this is a staple in my home. And there you have it. Better than Chipotle bowls in less than it takes to order online. Let me know in the comments what you would add to your bowl and if you want to see more quick meals like this. And don't forget to subscribe.